Alright, and welcome to the Bird Lounge. My name's Zach, and if you've ended up on this page, you either like birds, curious about birds, or just end up here by accident. Either way, stick around, you're gonna like this. This channel's gonna be all about giving you access to the bird world with no fluff. Not the Instagram version, not the overly polished pet shop version. I'm talking about the real side of bird keeping and breeding. The stuff people actually want to see, but no one's actually showing it yet until now. So, let me break it all down for you. First off, we got bird keeping and breeding. Now, I'll be showing you all the behind the scenes setups from pairings, babies hatchings, what works and what doesn't work, and everything I've learned along the way. There's no gatekeeping on this channel, just real info for anyone who wants to get into the hobby or level up.
Out of all the birds, this is the only one I've got a problem with. She's one of the oldest hens in the flock. If you see a beak there, it's really overgrown. So it's a very simple job.
Next up, we've got bird auctions and bird sales. Now, I get access to bird auctions all across the country, and I take my camera along with me so I can show you lot exactly what's for sale and what's going down every single week. So we're seeing everything from rare colour mutations, some absolute bargains that we pick up, and some birds you'd never expect to see for sale. The only way to find that out is to tune in and see what happens every single week at these auctions. I'm just turning up, I'm not running them whatsoever, I just need to capture the madness and share with you lot.
Pair of Staffordshire Canaries 2025 bred are on sale, and I'm selling them at £19.
And then there's the Bird Lounge vlog. That's going to be an update of all the weekly stuff that's going on behind the scenes. Whether I'm building a new flight, picking up birds, or sorting out complete chaos, or chatting absolute bird nonsense, you're going to get it all. We've also got Birds and Brews coming up, and that's going to be a podcast. We're going to dive into some controversial stuff, react to your stories. Also going to have some followers on to talk about the setups, rescues, and breeding disasters they've gone through. And also some experts to really deep dive and teach us some knowledge and some golden nuggets you're never going to get anywhere else other than this channel. I'll be doing a Bird of the Week series too. Now, I'll be including a proper deep dive into individual species or mutations. It could be a budgie one week, a kakariki the next, or something you've completely never heard of. I'll talk history, genetics, breeding tips, everything you need to know, but there's no textbook stuff here. Every now and then I'll do a bird news roundup. Anything big happening in the world, illegal imports, or some viral videos, I'll be covering it all. And if you're into building stuff, there is loads of DIY content on the way. I'll be showing you how to build flights, cages, full aviaries, all from scratch. Cheap builds, smart hacks, posh materials if you're into that, or just basic setups that work. I am building all the time. Here's a little tip for you. If you wanted to put... Oh, shit! And I love showing people how to do it without spending stupid money. And down the line, we're going to be doing a mini bird world tour. Now, I've started filming in different countries, showing how birds are bred, kept and sold in other parts of the world. We're talking backstreet markets in Istanbul and dodgy breeders in Egypt, and we're going to be covering everything all over the world.
Cook some food on the way to the toilet, you can do. Okay, go into the toilet.
See setups that you've never seen before, and I can guarantee you're definitely going to see some things that are going to shock you. First of all, this channel is about showing birds properly. It's honest content for people that actually care about birds. If you want to learn more, or you just want to see something just a little bit different on YouTube, so if that sounds up your street, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell notification so you know when my next video's out. Also, drop me a comment and let me know exactly what birds you want to keep or are keeping, what you want to see, or just say hi. I'm replying to as many people as I can because I'm building a proper bird community here. This is the Bird Lounge, real birds, real people. Let's get into it.